Hey, good evening. I'm Jorge Herreria. Today is April 24, 2017. Okay, I'm going to share how do I use volume of the stock when reading charts. Okay, so that's what this little presentation is about. So the idea is that I'm going to show you here some stocks that we are going to see, and then whenever we get together, we can revisit those stocks and and see if they really continue to go up or went up, or to see what happens. Okay, before moving on, let me do the disclaimer that this presentation is for educational purposes only. I don't give any specific financial advice. I don't recommend any stock to buy, sell, or hold, and especially on this presentation because we're going to see some stocks, and I'm going to give you my opinion. All the investing has a substantial risk of big losses, and you should seek advice from any registered financial professional prior to implement any investing program, technique, or financial plan. Okay. A little bit about myself. I'm Jorge Herreria. I'm a software engineer who has a full-time job at Oracle. I'm a software engineer over there. I started investing, trading stocks in 2008. That was I was enough. It's like after the crash, I was like, I'm sure I can manage the money better than the mutual fund manager. Okay. And I use techniques that I have learned of result. I use multiple techniques, and they are the result of learning two trading systems. One is heavy on the fundamentals, and another one is heavier on the technicals. So in this presentation, I'm not going to talk anything about the fundamentals. I'm not going to cover all the technicals. It's just specifically to the volume signature, what I call, that is very important to me when picking the stocks. So the signature is, well, first, the stock must be in an industry group that is trending up. Otherwise, it becomes very difficult. And preferably, this industry group is starting to trend up. So it has come down to being pulled down, the market not liking it, and now it's coming up, it's turning around and coming up. So the volume must be higher than any red day over the last 10 days. So red day is when the price close in negative, versus the prior day. And we will see in the charts, I'm using stock charts, so the positive day, it shows the bar as green, kind of greenish gray color. Okay, so the red is easy to identify. And it is a part of the signature is the price of the stock is coming up from the bottom of a consolidation. So you get to see a consolidation. If it's a sharp pull down, that's not a consolidation, it's just a sharp pull down. So consolidation, you will have to see the consolidation, and I'm going to touch on that when we'll see some of the charts. Okay. All right, over the weekend, doing my homework, I'm detecting that the retail sector is turning around. It had a pullback, and now it's starting to come up, and you can see the consolidation over here. A little cup, or some other guys might see here W consolidation. So any interpretation that you want to give to that consolidation is fine, but it's trending up. So that's what it caught my attention, and it has, the industry group has been pulled down. So that puts the requirement of the industry group. So let's take a look at some stocks that I have listed and see how do they go. Okay. So the first one, let's take a look at GES. GES. What is this one? It is GES. Okay. So what I want you to do during this presentation is don't go and look at the chart initially. What I want you to look is at the volume. And especially here in the zoom out, if you can see this area, look at the volume and tell me what, mentally tell me what is telling you to see. So in taking this example over here, we have on the prior 10 days, so this is 5 days and this is another 5 days. Every box is 1 week in here in stockcharts.com. So I see this volume right here. It is higher than the prior 10 red days. The highest 10 red day is either this guy or that guy. So we have that. And then, as dessert or complement, we have that other one volume right there, which it makes it very, very attractive. Okay, so the signature is there. Now, do we see a consolidation over here? It's a kind of difficult consolidation, but okay, clearly it has support at 1050, and now it has broke out of this consolidation, and the price is right here. So this one has the volume signature. Based on the volume and what I'm seeing, yes, this stock has potential to continue to go higher. So I'm gonna write it down. That is GES. So whenever we see each other again, or each other, we can check them out. All right, let's move to the next one and see how it goes. Next one is CVS, the pharmaceutical. Oh boy, pharmaceuticals, they're in that doghouse, poor guys. Okay, again, please look at the volume first. Look at the volume first. Right here, what are you seeing? Right there. No bueno, right? Bad. There's no blue, well, gray, blue, whatever, dark color. The dominant color is red. So this guy, you can call, hey, Jorge has a nice consolidation. He broke down the sloping down trend right there, and yeah, it's consolidating, and yada, yada. It might continue to go up. Definitely, it might continue to go up. Definitely, it might continue to go down. Definitely, it's going to go sideways. Based on my technique, it doesn't have the signature, so I discarded it. It's like, no, this one doesn't qualify. Okay, next one is a GPS. GPS, hopefully I can type today. There we go. Wow, I'm getting excited with this guy. Look over here. We have volume prior than any red. Here's the red, here's another red, prior than the last 10 days. And then we have some nice dessert and appetizer, the days before. So this one is clearly telling you, telling me those dark bars is like, yep, there's interest on this stock to be bought. And also, okay, so now let's look at the price. Oh yes, definitely we have a nice consolidation right here, and the stock just broke out. So to me, the buy point is 25. Okay, so we have a second one, GPS. Chalk it down so we can review what happened with that guy. Okay, that was GPS. Next one, Nostrum. JWN. Hopefully I got it right. Okay, let's clear out. Get the pencil. Okay, again, look at the volume. It does not qualify. This is red, and this is the latest positive day, and is lower. Nope. Based on this one, it's not a good candidate. Simple as that. Next one. Nordstrom. KSS. I think it's Kohl's. KSS. Okay, look at the signature. Ho, 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 nice, nice. We have a high volume prior than these two guys within the 10 days, and then as dessert, 15 days, we have another higher. Nice. This one, volume-wise, qualifies. Now, let's take a look at the chart itself. Definitely, it has a consolidation. I cannot draw straight lines. Sorry, guys, but you get the idea. Right there is one. I love the fact that it came with volume. Here's the volume to reach the 50 DMA for 1, 2, third time with volume. Bang! This guy has potential. So chalk it down. So I think at this point you're getting the idea, of the volume. How does it work, and how I see it, within the consolidation, getting into a line. You get the many signals right there telling you. Okay, so we put down KSS. It has the volume signature. Next one, BKE. PKE. Okay, looking at this, this is deceiving. Here's the high volume that we have. Well, the high volume, the highest over this week, over this period of time when the price is going up. You can see it going up here, but this one is not higher than this one, so it does not qualify. If we were 2 weeks ago and I see this, let me erase. I see this volume. Yeah, this volume qualifies prior to the 10 days. Is this one right here, definitely prior to the 10 days, and that corresponds to this day. So at this price, yes, it's viable based on this technique that we are learning. Oh, I'm sharing, but right now at this price with this volume is not. Okay, so this one doesn't qualify. Now, used to qualify 2-3 weeks ago. And actually, I'm doing this video because most of the guys will say, well, Jorge, this technique, have you back tested it? Reality? No. I've been learning that along the way. And the reason of this video is, here's the back test. I'm telling you the ones that I'm saying no, and the ones that I'm telling you yes. Okay, next one, Costco. Let's take a look. So that's my back testing. Again, an industry group that is coming down, is coming from being pulled down. Let's take a look at Costco. Woohoo, music to my ears. Just look at this. What is this screaming? It's like, I'm going up. I started 3 weeks ago and continue and continue and continue and continue. I'm not looking at the chart. I'm just looking at the volume and continue to go up. So nice. This one qualifies on the volume. Looking at the chart, is there a consolidation right there? I see one. So if it breaks out, 172.50, that's the price. That will be nice. If you can buy it at the 50 DMA, that will be nice either, actually. Somewhere here, that will be my buy price. So definitely Costco qualifies. So again, the signature, the volume is telling you a lot. That is being, there's institutions being buying this guy left and right. See all those little dots that I'm putting? This is volume. And look at the volume of the red days. It's kind of average. And it's flirting, the stock is flirting with the 50 DMA over 1, 2, 3 weeks. I'm looking at the boxes. Every box is a week. Okay, so this is a setup that really gets me excited. Actually, personally, I might buy something on Monday. I might. Not sure. Yeah, why not? I'll buy some. Okay, next one, see Carter's or Cry. I call it Cry. Is the baby clothing retail stores. Okay, you look at this and as the price is right now, this is my blue bar, or gray bar, and it's not higher than this one. So volume wise with this technique, it does not qualify. There's another technique called it Buru buy, which is if you have a pull down with volume that is significantly lower than the prior days, then it's viable. So let's chalk it down, this one, Carter, with a star, or put the note saying this is a Buru buy, because it broke out of the 50 and then it's pulling back. This is risky. This one is risky. So let's not put it down into the list. You know why? It is the 50 DMA is still trending down. Is that no, that's a 200. I'm sorry, the 200 still trending down, and the signature was not there. Might work, might not work, but okay. For the purpose of the video, it doesn't have the volume signature, so it's not good. Okay. Last one is Walmart. Hopefully you don't know. Yeah. Okay. Let's take a look at Walmart. Don't look at the chart, please. Just go and look at this area right here, the volume area. You know, pay attention to that area. Don't look at the chart, please. What do you see right there? Huge accumulation. That stock should be going up like crazy, right? Based on this information that we see right here. Now look at the chart. Yeah, definitely. Okay. So this guy is gone. You know, Walmart to my liking is way too far. It's already extended. It is not viable at this time. So can we apply the volume technique before, you know, kind of 3 weeks ago? Let's take a look if it's feasible. You know, this area. I know I'm talking about the, you know, going way back to the past and try to show you, oh, look at this work. So, you know, that's what I did the other examples. Is as of today, this is what I'm seeing based on this technique, based on this signature. So we have, you know, we have this pullback. Definitely, there's support right there, and now the price starts going up. So that's our first day is right there. It is this one, and the volume is this one. So it's lower than the 10 days before. You know, 10 days is these two boxes. So we need to beat this bar in volume. So you will say, see, Jorge, your technique doesn't work. You know, it will dismiss Walmart, and you're absolutely right. I won't dispute it. My technique, this technique, what it's telling you is something that you don't know that this is going to happen. You know, when you're seeing this movement, it's like, do I have evidence somewhere that tells me that the institutions are buying or not? The one that I have found out is looking at the volume of the prior 10 days to see if the volume that you have on the way up on the blue days, or positive days, sorry, I keep saying blue, positive days, if the volume is higher than the 10 days. Okay? Why am I saying all of this? There's no technique that is bulletproof. You know, there's no single technique that says this is unfailable, you know, is guarantee, yada yada. That doesn't exist. Okay? So that's one example. Now, there's a pullback over here, and if you see the pullback volume, the volume is lower, but that's another technique than the prior days. So now at that point, if I was looking Walmart, I will be interested. You know, it will be on my watch list. And then seeing this bar right here, that's music to my ears. That approves the technique that I have of the volume, because this volume definitely is higher than the prior 10 days. Prior 10 days is this. So I will be buying it here, and we'll have that money. Okay, alrighty. So that's it for now. Hopefully, so we're going to take a look next time that we see each other. GES, GPS, KSS, Costco, CRI, and WMT. We said that CRI was the one that I was, yeah, CRI no, CRI no. Okay, and okay, Walmart. Will Walmart continue to go up? I have no idea. It's already extended. Well, based on the signature, yeah, but it's not viable. Okay, well, that's it for now. Talk to you soon. Ciao.